Welcome to the deep dive. We cut through the noise to bring you the important stuff. And today we're looking at something pretty crucial in your home, but maybe kind of hidden. Your hot water.
Yeah, absolutely. Your hot water tank. It's working away back there.
Exactly. We want to figure out how to keep it happy and healthy. We're using some great info today, including from Pacific Blue Mechanical. They help folks out in places like Burnaby, Vancouver, and Surrey.
And our goal really is to show why getting the right kind of help for your tank locally is just a really smart move.
Makes sense.
And talk about the big benefits for you and your house.
Okay, so first things first. Let's maybe break down the different kinds of hot water tanks people might have. Or maybe they're thinking about getting a new one.
Good idea. There are a few main types you'll see.
Right, like the standard one, the conventional tank.
Yeah, the conventional storage tank. Think of it like a big thermos, you know. It heats up a bunch of water and keeps it hot, ready to go.
Okay, like a big warm hug waiting for you.
Kind of. They're pretty common, generally reliable. Lots of homes have these.
Got it. And then there's the tankless kind. Those sound interesting.
They really are. Tankless water heaters are different because they only make hot water right when you need it.
Oh, so no big tank sitting there full of hot water all day.
Exactly. You turn on the hot tap and whoosh, it heats the water as it flows through. Can save energy that way.
Huh. Okay. And what about hybrid ones? I've heard that term.
Right. Hybrids. They try to be kind of the best of both worlds. They often use a heat pump, which is super energy efficient, along with a tank.
A heat pump? Like for heating your house?
Sort of, yeah. It pulls heat from the air around it to help warm the water. Really clever, and saves a lot on electricity compared to just standard electric tanks.
Wow. Okay, so different ways to get hot water.
Definitely. And, you know, what's cool is each one has its plus points, like tankless saves space, maybe gives you endless hot water if you need it. The conventional ones might be simpler upfront. Hybrids save energy. Thinking about how much hot water your family uses really helps pick the right fit.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. So now let's get into the really interesting part. You mentioned the benefits. Why is taking good care of whichever tank you have so important?
Yeah.
Especially getting like local experts involved, like the folks at Pacific Blue Mechanical.
Yes, this is key. There are 3 really big things that help you out directly.
Okay, I'm listening.
First one, saving money. Big one.
Always good. How does good care save money?
Well, when your tank is clean and running well, it just works better. It doesn't have to struggle, so it uses less energy, less gas, less electricity.
Ah, okay, so less energy.
Lower bills. Your energy costs can actually go down, which is, fantastic.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, saving money. What's number 2?
Number 2 is making your tank last longer.
Okay, like getting more years out of it.
Exactly. Think about brushing your teeth. Yeah. You do that to keep them healthy for a long, long time.
Makes sense.
Same idea here. Doing things like flushing out the tank regularly gets rid of all the gunky stuff, the sediment that can build up inside.
Sediment, like minerals and stuff from the water.
Precisely. That stuff can cause problems over time. So cleaning it out, checking parts, making sure everything's working okay, it all helps the tank live a much longer life, maybe many extra years.
So you don't have to replace it as soon. That's a big saving too, eventually.
Huge saving. Replacing a whole water heater is not cheap.
No kidding. Okay, so saving money, lasting longer. What's the third big benefit?
The third one is super important. Keeping safe.
Safety. How does hot water tank care relate to safety?
Well, these tanks deal with heat and pressure. If something's not right, it can be risky. Professionals like the ones from Pacific Blue Mechanical make sure everything is installed correctly and, crucially, that safety features are working.
Like what kind of safety features?
Things like the temperature and pressure relief valve. It's designed to let off steam, literally, if things get too hot or pressure builds too high.
Ah, okay, like a safety valve.
Exactly. If that valve isn't working, you could have leaks, big messy leaks. Or even worse, though it's rare, the tank could rupture. So pros check that. They also check for gas leaks on gas models.
Wow, okay. That's serious.
It is. So proper care keeps your home and your family safe from those kinds of problems, which, is the most important thing, isn't it?
Absolutely. Peace of mind. So let's wrap this up. What does this all mean for you listening at home? It sounds like taking care of your hot water tank, maybe with some local expert help.
Yeah.
It means your hot water will be there when you need it, your bills might be lower, and your home is protected from some hidden dangers.
That's it, exactly. It's about reliability, savings, and safety. Knowing things are working right.
So we've taken a good look at hot water tanks and why looking after them, especially with local pros like those we mentioned from Pacific Blue Mechanical, brings so much good stuff. Leaving pennies, keeping safe. It's all connected.
It really is. And, thinking about all this, it raises a kind of cool question for the future, doesn't it?
Oh, like what?
Well, technology is moving so fast. Imagine a future where your hot water tank is, like, super smart. Maybe talks to your phone, tells you when it needs a checkup. Or what if it could power itself mostly with solar panels on your roof? How could those kinds of changes make your home even better, even more efficient?
Wow, a self-managing, maybe even self-powering hot water system. That's definitely something to think about. Okay, lots to ponder there. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.